The Enforcement Directorate has widened its probe in Sushant Singh's death case. Not just Rhea, but even her associates are now in the dock. ED also questioned Sushant's ex-manager Shruti Modi for the third time and his friend Siddharth Pitani. Meanwhile, as the probe continues, India Today has accessed some sensational details of Sushant and Rhea's 2019 Euro trip. Let's take a look.
Sushant Singh Rajput's trip to Europe with his girlfriend Rhea Chakrabarti has been much talked about, but not much has been revealed about it. India Today has now accessed exclusive details of Sushant Singh's 2019 Europe trip, where he was accompanied by Rhea and her brother Shovik. Sources say Rhea has told investigation agencies she witnessed Sushant's alleged mental health issues for the first time during that trip. Sources say Rhea claimed the three were staying at a heritage hotel in Italy when Sushant allegedly began hallucinating about some paintings in their room. According to sources, Rhea told officials that they were residing in a 600-year-old heritage hotel in Italy. The hotel had huge rooms with old paintings on the walls of the rooms. She claims one such painting gripped Sushant's mind, which showed Saturn devouring its own child. The couple, according to Rhea, advanced their return from November 2nd to October 28th. Rhea claims after that, Sushant's condition worsened and that she would often find him shouting, screaming and crying. According to sources, she claimed that on June 8th, Sushant told Rhea to go back to her residence and that it would help her recuperate. Sushant's cook had earlier told India Today how Sushant's mood seems to have changed after his European trip.
जब तक मैं 2019 सितंबर तक था तब तक मेरे साथ भी ठीक था और बाद में पता चला कि उनको डेंगू है, उसके बाद फिर डिप्रेशन हो गया। ये सब बातें बाद में मेरे को पता चला। वो कभी मेडिसिन खाने वाला इंसान ही नहीं है तो मेडिसिन तो उसको छूता भी नहीं था कभी।
Meanwhile, the Enforcement Directorate has widened its probe in the Sushant case. Rhea, who was questioned on August 7th and 10th, is likely to be summoned again on Wednesday. The heat is not just on Rhea, but also her aides. Sources say Shruti Modi, Sushant's business manager, has told ED that Rhea made all the key financial and project-related decisions for Sushant. Sources say the ED has confiscated mobile phones of Rhea, her brother Shovik, and her father to download data. The ED has also questioned Siddharth Pitani, Sushant's friend and flatmate. For the first time, Sushant's family member, his sister Meetu Singh, has given a statement to the probe agency. Another shocking detail that has come out is the mysterious change of IP address of Sushant's server just 7 days before his death from Sushant were also deleted.
Enforcement Directorate probing the money laundering case against Rhea Chakrabarti, her family members and staffers of Sushant Singh Rajput have examined mobile phones belonging to Rhea, her brother Shovik and father Indrajit. The Enforcement Directorate is looking for deleted messages and other data in these mobile phones. Meanwhile, mobile phones of Shruti Modi, the former business manager of Sushant Singh Rajput, and Siddharth Pitani, who is a friend of Sushant Singh Rajput, have also been examined. Shruti Modi and Siddharth Pitani were again called for questioning on Tuesday, while Meetu Singh, sister of Sushant Singh Rajput, also recorded her statement with Enforcement Directorate. With camera person Kiran Sapkal, this is Divyesh Singh in Mumbai for India Today.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.